Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Alondra and today I have a special guest.
What's up guys? My name is JR.
Yeah, my friend George. So basically if y'all haven't seen my vlog to Austin or my pool party video, then you wouldn't know who he is. But I'm gonna have his Snapchat and his Instagram and his, yeah. Snapchat and Instagram.
Basically, my Instagram, my Snapchat.
Yeah. I have it in the description box below, so make sure you follow him. And basically we're about to do Never Have I Ever challenge.
Dirty / whatever.
Yeah, so basically we're just gonna go ahead and get started. We're also taking shots for whoever hasn't.
Oh, names
the bottle's halfway empty, halfway full. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started.
Never have I ever had sex in my parents' bed.
Hell no.
Never have?
No.
Me either. I never have.
No.
No?
No.
That's just too
weird.
weird.
I never would. That's too disrespectful.
Too weird.
Never have I ever snuck somebody in.
Okay, that's
like where everything starts.
Oh yeah. Never have I ever watched porn with someone else.
You're stupid.
Okay.
You about to take a shot?
Yeah, fuck it. Never have I ever called someone the wrong name during sex. I ain't gonna lie. But
you have?
yeah, man. It was embarrassing too. It was embarrassing.
George.
I came back from a club and then some girl hit me up, one of my closest, my girlfriend at the time, and then she's like, "No, I'm coming over." Bam.
So you called your girlfriend a random girl's name?
Not a random girl's name, but like.
So, but you called the girlfriend a different name?
Yeah.
Oh, that's bad.
Basically.
Never have I ever soiled my pants in public because I couldn't find a bathroom in time.
You. So.
I'm gonna have to drink to this.
What do you mean though?
Like ruined your pants in public because you couldn't find a bathroom. Like you peed yourself?
Oh man. Tell me.
Okay. What did I do? Okay, this is disgusting.
Yeah.
It's disgusting. Everyone's gonna judge me.
Okay.
I pooped my pants.
Pooped your pants.
I pooped my pants. It wasn't necessarily in public because I was at my friend's house, but I laughed so hard and I had diarrhea and it shot out my butt.
So wait, so you couldn't go to the restroom or what?
I did not know it was gonna happen. I was laughing. I did not know I had to use the bathroom. I was laughing and the wrong muscle was used and I pooped my pants.
So you pooped your pants at a party? Or
at my friend's house.
Your friend's house? Oh, it was a sleepover. What, a whole bunch of people or which?
About 4.
Okay.
But they don't know. I just went to the bathroom and I threw my panties. I think I kept them. I don't think I threw them in her trash. I think I kept them.
Oh my god. Hey, look, she pooped her pants. Hey, I'm gonna have to drink to that too.
Ew, you're disgusting. I knew your nasty ass had.
I was gonna hold that back, but in kindergarten, it was multiple occasions because like I had this thing where I pooped my pants and we were sitting at the computers. Every time we go to the computers to do hard work, I pooped my pants straight up. It was straight doo-doo.
George, that's disgusting. So you were that shitty poop kid.
I was that shitty poop kid, but lucky thing it was kindergarten, so the kids didn't make fun of me at all.
Yeah, mine's worse then because I was...
How old were you?
A freshman at high school.
Freshman at high school.
I was a freshman at high school. Never have I ever made out with a stranger.
I never have. Never will.
Oh.
Because you... Okay.
Oh.
I never have because you can't tell what they have.
You haven't made out with a stranger, but you slept with some girl on Tinder.
Never have I ever slept nude.
Huh.
Yeah, I mean, who doesn't sleep nude?
Ugh. I've slept nude, but I don't like to. I like clothes. I like to have stuff on.
Never have I ever been on a double date. I've been on a double date. It was weird as fuck.
I don't think I've ever been on any date.
It was weird.
Never have I ever had horrible sex.
Oh, man.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Who hasn't?
I have.
Okay, I have nothing else.
Never have I ever tried anal.
No, I've never wanted to try anal, but these niggas out here be trying to try it.
That's my last drink.
So you tried it?
I tried anal.
How was it?
I tried it.
Are you still sore?
Excuse me. Anal has not tried on me, but I tried anal on someone else.
The
like
people know what you mean.
Like a girl, okay.
The people know what you mean.
But you know, she can't handle it because you know that long cucumber dick.
George, you cannot say that.
Okay, so never have I ever had sex with 2 or more people within a period of 24 hours.
Nope.
Okay, hold this.
Oh boy.
Oh man. All right.
24 hours, George?
Yeah, it was a crazy night, or the crazy day, as you should say.
Never have I ever experimented with someone of the same sex because I was curious.
Okay. Never.
Never?
Never.
No one's ever brushed up against you?
Brush, please.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna drink to this.
Oh, okay. And please tell the story after you.
I don't know if I was ever. Okay, I guess I was curious.
So one time you was curious about your sexuality.
Not curious about my sexuality. Curious about just, I don't know. I was a kid. Y'all know as a kid, like sometimes, like, okay, I had these friends. I had these friends when I was a kid, and one time I went over her house, and we were playing in the curtains. Like this, they had like these big, long, tall curtains. And we were like dry humping each other in the curtains.
Dry humping in the curtains?
Yeah.
Like,
it was some girls.
It was your truth or dare or what?
No, we were just kids. We were like in elementary and in middle school.
You had to think about it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Never have I ever been 4 days without a shower.
Ah, man.
Who hasn't?
I didn't have no underwear. That's my explanation. I had no underwear, so basically that's it.
I've been 4 days without a shower before. And what I've done, I've also turned my underwear inside out. Inside out?
Does that work? Or that's kind of more dirtier because you might have some doo-doo stains or some shit.
Only guys get doo-doo stains.
Pee stains at least, you know what I mean?
Okay, girls don't get pee stains. We get nothing.
Okay.
Never have I ever sat on a public toilet. Okay.
Never. When and where? Come on now.
Alright. I was probably like in high school, and I sat on the toilet because I really had to go.
What?
And it looked so clean. It looked so clean.
But you can squat.
I know, but for some reason, I probably had to take shit. That's first off. And it looked so clean. I was like, I know it's clean. Y'all, I sat on that toilet for like 2 minutes. I was regretting it the whole time. And the next day I had a rash. I literally had rashes on me. And ever since then, I don't care how clean it looks. Alright, y'all, so that wraps up these never have you.
I'm sorry. I'm not doing something like YouTube.
This nigga be trying to be like a Okay. Yeah, that wraps up like our never have you ever challenge. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Follow George on all his social networks, all 2 of them. I'll have them posted below. And yeah, I guess I'll catch y'all in my next video.
Peace.